Hi, I'm Dr. Marlis Gonzalez-Fernandez at the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. My practice concentrates on amputee rehabilitation, but I've been involved for many years in doing research on swallowing, and I'm very excited about the session we have at AAPM&R this year. As most of you know, dysphagia after stroke is a big problem. It improves quickly for most patients, but for those that it does not improve quickly, we need to figure out how we're going to manage their dysphagia as they transition care. This is most important for those patients who cannot have oral alimentation, and thus we will discuss in this session how we can manage what's the right intervention for them at the right time, and understand how we can maintain patients with less permanent means, like an NG tube versus a PEG, so that we can reduce their morbidity and mortality and support their recovery on the right timeline. So I'll be glad to see you there.